Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Rich here on this Tuesday morning. It's the third day of March, Super Tuesday, and the weather's going to have a significant effect on Super Tuesday voting, not just in Alabama, but across the Deep South, with this storm system, which will cause extensive rainfall today, tonight, tomorrow, and tomorrow night, and also a new element, a severe weather risk added by the Storm Prediction Center for today, for all of Alabama, and for much of the state, as you'll see in a moment, for tomorrow as well. And during the night, as I make your video, there have been tornadoes in central Tennessee, which have done extensive damage, and there have been fatalities in Nashville. During the wee hours of the morning, a tornado has struck the northern and eastern part of the city of Nashville. We're seeing some damage. Well, this is an elementary school. This is Wilson Elementary School, completely destroyed. So some terrible situations in the middle of the night in Nashville on Super Tuesday. There's that frontal system about to enter northwest Alabama with the line of strong thunderstorms ahead of it. That'll be heading southeast as we go through the day today. Here's noon today across northwest Alabama and heading on southeastward. So we could see some stronger storms in Alabama today, and by 6 p.m. tonight into the southern counties of the state. So the Storm Prediction Center has a marginal severe weather risk covering much of Alabama. A damaging wind gust would be the main threat, but the tornado risk is not zero. Keep in mind of what happened in Nashville. So for today, showers and thunderstorms. High temperature in the middle 70s. Tonight's low 58. Southerly winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour, fueling the storm situation. There could be some locally heavy downpours as well. Here's tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. The front has made it down to the coast, but you see that low pressure area coming along Texas? That's going to ride along that front like a roller coaster. There's Wednesday at 6 p.m. So another active weather day, locally heavy rain, and also a marginal severe weather risk as far north as let's say Clanton, and a level 2 risk covering much of South Alabama and southwest Alabama tomorrow. So that means the threat of tornadoes possible, especially in southwest Alabama in that level 2 area. This is Thursday at 6 a.m. The front is located, actually the low pressure area near Mobile, and that frontal system will be heading on to the east. So by Thursday afternoon, it's all done for Alabama, or for most of us anyway, as the activity settles down. Rainfall. Additional rainfall could be 3 to 5 inches across much of central and southeast Alabama, still ahead of this situation. 2 to 4 inches in other parts of Alabama, so significant rainfall. The sun returns on Friday. Friday, I think, will be a nice day. We're up to about 60, maybe a little better. Maybe the low to mid-60s on Saturday after a chilly start in the 30s. And I think it's going to be a great weekend. In fact, we start to warm up on Sunday after a cool start in the upper 30s. Nice warm-up, teasing 70 degrees, just like we did last Sunday. So we're looking at 90% chance of rain and thunderstorms across the area through tomorrow, and then a 70% chance Thursday, at least through midday into perhaps early afternoon, high in the mid-60s that day, and then low 60s on Friday, low to mid-60s on Saturday, and upper 60s to maybe teasing 70 degrees on Sunday. We will always remember this day in history. Last year, March 3rd, 2019, EF4 tornado that first touched down in eastern Macon County and swept across Lee County, killing 23, injuring hundreds, extreme damage. Beauregard was one of the hardest hit areas on that particular day. That was on this date last year. Lots of active weather in the next couple of days. Make sure you have our weather app on your phone or tablet. Download it today. It has advanced interactive radar and instant push notifications for any watches or warnings. It's going to be very useful. Go to the App Store, search Rich Thomas Weather. Now keep in mind, I'm making this video in the middle of the night, and the news is still coming in from Nashville. At least 2 fatalities so far, and the fire department reporting at least 40 structures have been completely obliterated in the Nashville area. So, you know, we're going to be radar watching today as these thunderstorms move through the state of Alabama. Hopefully you will get a chance to vote today. It is a privilege, it is an honor, it is our right, and it is certainly our duty to vote. And your weather app will be very handy in keeping you up to date on where the storms are and if there's a watch or warning for your area. I'll be posting as well during the day. I hope you have a great day today and stay weather aware, and I'll talk to you later.